Goldenlaser is committed to providing laser solutions for global customers. With many years' efforts and innovation, Goldenlaser has grown up to a very important laser equipment supplier, not only in China, but in the world. Our marketing network has been extended to over 80 countries and regions globally, especially in metal sheet and tube laser applications. In metalworking industry, Wuhan VTOP Fiber Laser Engineering Company Limited, specializing in fiber laser pipe and tube cutting machine, metal sheet laser cutting machine, robotic arm, 3D laser cutting, and welding machine, is the subsidiary of Goldenlaser, focused on the development of laser solution for metal cutting and welding, aiming at realizing max value creation for customers. VTOP lasers offer the customers machines and automation solutions tailored precisely to their requirements, together with consulting, financing, and many more services, enabling them to manufacture their products economically, reliably, and in reliable quality. With the software solutions, VTOP Laser supports them in all sheet metal processing tasks, from design to complete production control. Its metal laser cutting machines are applied to sheet metal, metal cabinet, auto parts, hardware spare parts, kitchenware, elevator, electric components, advertising signs, spring stripes, fitness equipment, sports equipment, medical device, metal furniture, agricultural machinery, fire control, transformer, bicycle, steel structure, and oil industry. Among those products and technologies, Goldenlaser obtained many national patents and software copyrights. Innovation and development. Goldenlaser and VTOP Laser keep moving forward